Hi lovely friends, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make pepper steak. Pepper steak is a one-pan steak recipe and it's so delicious and quite easy to make. Stay tuned and see how this is made. In this pepper steak recipe I'm going to be using lots of ginger and garlic, so I'll just go ahead and grate and mince my garlic and ginger. Once I'm done mincing my garlic and ginger, we are going to go ahead and season the steak. I'm going to be sharing all my ingredients into two. So I'm going in with half part of the garlic, half part of the ginger, a teaspoon of black pepper powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of beef seasoning, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of honey. Instead of honey, you can use brown sugar, so I'm going in with 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. After this, I'm just going to mix all the ingredients together and let it combine with the beef. Once the beef is completely covered in the seasoning, we are going to marinate this for an hour. You can leave this in the fridge to chill before you start the preparation. While marinating the steak, I'm just going to go ahead and cut all my veggies and keep aside. Once I'm done chopping all my veggies into chunks like this, I'll just set them aside. Next, we are just going to make a slurry for our steak. So in this bowl, I've got about a quarter cup of water. To it, I'll add in some black pepper. I'm adding the remaining 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And I'll also go in with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is going to serve as a thickener and also create a sauce for our steak. I'll just make sure I stir everything and make sure everything combines and dissolved completely in the sauce. Once the cornstarch is perfectly dissolved, I'll set this aside. Now the beef is ready after an hour of marinating this, so it's now time to pan fry it. I'm going to place the medium pan on heat. To it, I'll add in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And once the oil is heated, I'll start bringing in my seasoned steak. I'm using sirloin. Okay, it has been sliced into thin strips so that this will enable it to cook quickly. Okay, after cooking this for about 4 minutes, I'm just going to flip over to the other side to cook as well. When cooking this, you don't have to overcrowd the pan, so you can do this in batches. And once you're sure your meat is cooked, transfer them into a dish and set aside, then do the remaining. Once I'm done preparing my steak, next it's time to cook the veggies, so I'm adding a tablespoon of oil to the pan. And once it's heated, I'll go in with half part of the onion and the remaining ginger and garlic. I'm just going to saute this for a minute. Once the onion is fragrant, I'll go in with the bell peppers and the remaining onion as well. I just go ahead and cook the veggies for about 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook these. They should still maintain their vibrant color and crunch. Next, I'm just going to stir the slurry again because it has solidified under. And then I'm going to stir it into the veggies. After adding the slurry, if it turns out very thick, you can just add a little water to adjust the consistency. So at this point, a sauce is formed and I'm happy what I'm seeing and with the taste as well. So I'm just going to bring in the fried steak into the sauce. And I'm just going to go ahead and stir in and make sure the steak and the veggies are well combined together. Oh, this smells really amazing. Just take a look at this. It looks really shiny and beautiful. The honey adds a beautiful glaze while the sesame oil creates a very fantastic flavor, and I really love this. So I'm going to cook this for 4 more minutes and I'll turn off the heat. So guys, your pepper steak is ready. This is really tasty and rich. You can go ahead and enjoy this with boiled rice, boiled potatoes or pasta, or you can easily just serve it the way it is. This is quite amazing and you will love this. Kids will fall in love with this. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you are here for the first time, and also hit the bell button so you don't miss any video whenever it's uploaded. Until next time guys, I love to see you soon. Bye.